Hello, in this video we're going to look at how to manage and create news articles on the FOP website. The news section features article content types. To create a new blog post, simply go to the Add Content button in the Admin toolbar. From here you want to choose Article. The article content type is very similar to the basic page content type, so all of the title and body, all the editing here is going to be exactly the same. So we would want to put in our content and our title. But some of the tabs, there's one new tab on the side here, and actually the media is a little different. On the article pages, we don't offer the ability to add slideshows, but we do have an image field. It is important to use the image field when you can, because if you go to the site, you'll see on the recent news the images that are here. This is the images come from that field. So when you add the image in here, that's what's going to show up. It also, if you go to the news page, you can see the images that show up on the side. This is the same image as well. If you don't add one, it'll use a placeholder image like this. It's just a default image that I set up. So if there is no image for the article, that's fine. There'll still be at least something will show up. But it's definitely best to always upload an image when you can. The image tool here is the same as what we've seen before. So you can choose a file, from your computer and upload it, or you can pick a file that exists on the site already if you want to. So that's, as far as most of the content is not much different from a basic page. The only other thing that is really unique to this type of content is that we have categories. This is just a way to group similar content. So if you write an article and let's say it's about some kind of charity event, maybe you would put in charity as a tag. Or if you want to, you can notice here, I just hit the letter A, and it showed me this list because these are other tags that I've already created. So it's, instead of just guessing what the tags are, if you know that you had one named charity, for example, you could just put in CH, and it'll show you if there's anything that starts with that. Like I just typed in the letter A, and it shows me any tag that has that letter. So, and you can add multiple tags if you want to. Just add a comma in between each one, like this, and it'll allow you to create numerous tags. So that's essentially it as far as the articles go. You just, again, add in the title, the content, always upload an image, if you have one. And the tags, you don't have to add them, but it is a nice way for people to continue browsing, and I'll demonstrate how that works as well. Let me go ahead and save this page so we can take a look at that. Okay, so our blog post has been created. We see the image here. It takes us right to the page so we can see how it works. And at the bottom here, we'll see there's those tags. So if I click on the article tag, what it's going to do is it'll show me all of the articles that have that tag. So in this example, there's no other articles right now that have these tags, but you can see as I click each tag, it's showing me, hey, here's every post that's tagged with this charity tag or whatever it is. So as the content on the site, as there's more content added and more tags added, this will be more useful, but it's just a nice way to group content together so people can find things that are similar. That's more or less it as far as creating articles. Whenever you create an article, it's automatically, if it's a new article, it's going to automatically show up on the home page. So the home page always shows the 3 most recent news articles. You don't have to do anything. Just create your articles and it'll automatically show up here. And same thing for the news page. As you create the pages, they'll automatically show up on here. So it'll show you the date that it was created, any tags that are on the article, the title, and that's really basically it for articles. Um, feel free to add as many as you want. We did move in all of the articles from the old site, and they don't all have tags, so it might not be a bad idea if you want to, or if anybody has the time to come in here and edit any of the old posts and add in some tags here as well. So let's see, if I'm going to add charity to this one tag here as an example. And if I click on this, now we'll see both of the articles here that have the charity tag on them. Both of these show up. So that's kind of the point of the tagging system. That's it for articles. Thank you.